Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tub drain kit is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components of a bathtub. Choosing the right one can mean the difference between a smooth, leak-free showering experience and a frustrating plumbing disaster. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect tub drain kit for your needs, covering everything from material and design to installation and long-term maintenance, ensuring you make an informed decision that saves you time, money, and potential headaches down the line. Number 5. Artiwell Tiptoe Tub Trim Set. Upgrade your bathing experience with this innovative drain stopper. Simply tap it to open or close, making bath time easier than ever. It's available in 7 colors to perfectly complement your existing faucet and bathroom decor. Find the ideal match for your style. This drain is built to last with high-quality brass, zinc, and ABS construction. Enjoy long-lasting durability and reliable performance. It fits both 1-to-1 2-course and 1-to-3/8 fine drain shoe threads, ensuring compatibility with most standard bathtubs. Installation is a breeze. Installation is a snap. With included instructions and a rubber gasket, you can install it in just 5 minutes. Save time and enjoy your new drain. We stand behind the quality of our products. It's made to meet the highest industry standards, ensuring you'll love your new bathtub drain. What we like. It boasts a user-friendly design and is made with durable materials. Its standard design ensures compatibility with various drain types. If you value ease of use and long-lasting quality, this is the perfect choice for your bathroom. What people say. Came with instructions and was easy to install. Works as should. Color was true to description and no leaking. Easy to install and work well. Using few minutes and it's still like new. Good quality. The drain is awesome looking and seemed to be quality built. I tested the stopper and it functioned perfectly. Number 4. Moen T90331BN Drain Kit. This drain kit offers a sleek, brushed nickel finish that adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It's the perfect solution for updating your tub or shower drain. The brushed nickel finish provides a warm, gray metallic look that complements any bathroom style. It's both stylish and durable. It fits standard 1-1-2-inch threaded drains, making installation quick and easy. No need for complicated adjustments. This is ideal for repairing your existing plumbing fixtures without a complete replacement. Save time and money with this simple solution. For those with a 2-screw overflow, you can easily convert with part number 142538. It's designed for seamless integration. It comes with Moen's limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind and ensuring lasting quality. You can trust it for years to come. What we like. This offers a standard size for easy installation and is built to last with a limited lifetime warranty. It's designed for flexibility, allowing for future style updates. If you prioritize compatibility, durability, and a long-term solution, this is a great option. What people say. Quality is very nice and I don't see any pieces that could easily break. This drain is pretty solid. This was a wonderful purchase. Quality parts, perfect fit, and simple install. Number 3. Westbrass D93-2-62 Trim Set. Introducing the Westbrass D93-2-62 Trim Set, a perfect blend of style and practicality for your bathroom. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing bathtub drain system, offering a refreshed and modern aesthetic. This set features a convenient tiptoe drain plug, allowing for smooth and easy operation with just a gentle touch of your foot. No more struggling with fiddly knobs or levers. The sleek matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom, complementing various design styles. It's resistant to scratches and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting beauty. It's designed with a 1-to-1-2-inch NPSM connection, ensuring a secure and snug fit. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included hardware and clear instructions. The included 2-hole faceplate provides a polished and unified look, completing the upgrade. It's made of high-quality materials for durability and lasting performance. It's crafted from premium plated brass, ensuring resistance to corrosion and ensuring lasting quality. The screws are also made of high-quality plated brass for a secure and lasting fit. What we like? It features a convenient tiptoe drain plug and a stylish 2-hole faceplate. Installation is a breeze. If you want a simple yet elegant upgrade for your bathtub, this is an excellent choice. What people say? Really good quality, sturdy construction with a smooth matte black finish. It's easy to install. The seal on the drain plug works to keep the tub filled for baths, and the overall look is exactly what I wanted. I looked around and this is the most modern and functional fixture. I replaced my old jacuzzi tub release with this and it looks and works much better. Number 2. Westbrass 593144 Tub Drain Kit. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional drain kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and leak-free performance. It features heavy-duty metal trim and 1-to-1 2-inch polypropylene tubes for lasting quality. The slip joint washer seal ensures a watertight fit. This tiptoe drain is ADA approved for easy operation. Simply press once to close and again to open. Installation is a breeze with the included 2-hole faceplate and matching screws. All the necessary components are provided for a seamless process. Everything you need is included: tubes, faceplate, screws, elbow, shoe, and tee. It's a complete solution for your tub drain replacement. This kit boasts a sophisticated matte black finish that complements any modern bathroom decor. Enjoy both style and functionality. What we like? Made from durable polypropylene, it's designed to withstand daily use and meets ADA standards. Its sleek design complements modern bathrooms. If you need a reliable and stylish drain kit, this is a great option. What people say? Did bathroom remodel and replaced tub drain along with the plumbing pieces. I'm very new to DIY, took on a bathroom remodel and this was the easiest part. Unhook old pipes, put new pipes in. Looks great and seems good quality. This came well packaged and arrived just as it should have. Item is sturdy and of really nice quality. Looks great in my bathroom. We are upgrading all of our fixtures to black. My handyman said it was very easy to install. The headline answered the first question that enters most people's minds. I was concerned about buying this online and having to return it. But there is plenty adjustment to compensate for drain overflow variances and even some angle offset. It was no secret that the pipe was plastic, but what I found was that the drain and overflow seemed to be very quality. They are a non-ferrous material, assume brass copper, and are stout with good appearance and quality threading and fitment. Number 1. Westbrass 593244-07 Tub Waste. This is the Westbrass 593244-07, a 14-inch bathtub waste and overflow assembly. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. It features white polypropylene tubes with slip joint connections for a secure and long-lasting seal. This ensures years of trouble-free use in your bathroom. This innovative drain is ADA approved, making it easy to operate with just a gentle press. One press closes it, and another opens it again. The included faceplate complements any bathroom style. It comes with matching screws for a seamless, polished look. It boasts a heavy-duty metal trim and high-quality components for lasting durability. You can trust it to withstand daily use. Everything you need is included. The elbow, shoe, and tee are all part of this complete assembly. Installation is quick and straightforward. What we like? This offers a complete assembly for easy installation, including an ADA-approved tiptoe drain. It comes in a stylish finish to match your bathroom decor. If you prefer a complete kit with a modern look, this is the one for you. What people say? Had everything I needed. Parts were easy to assemble. This was exactly what I needed. I couldn't find the right finish in polyethylene locally. I used a Kohler trim kit for the rest of the tub and you'd never know they were different manufacturers. Good product, no issues. Oh, and push-button drain FTW, yeah. Please no weird metal rods down the drain to catch 30 years of hair and junk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.